Morning guys! It is now 5 a.m. We have to get up kasi nga we'll be having breakfast at 6 a.m. Tapos underground river na by 7 a.m. And super pa naman ako. I'm watching Max and Ruby. Alam niyo ba to? Super cute. My favorite cartoons. Super cute. This is what mornings look like here at Princesa Garden Island. Ang ganda! Oh my goodness. And as you can see, low tide pa lang ngayon. Sobrang simple lang. Bili nakalimutan ko blush ko tsaka contouring powder.
Okay lang yan.
Morning!
Morning!
We're gonna go to Rice na for our breakfast.
It's 6:22.
At super ganda kasi na-catch namin yung sunrise. Naka-Kipling bag ako at naka-rush card. We're here at Rice again for breakfast. So kasama siya sa package. It's all in package. Here's our breakfast, guys. Sobrang dami. Pwede kang pumili. Ang dami. May bacon, may fish, may noodles, may bread, may fruits. Yum, yum, yum. Then with breakfast, super sarap. Super busog. As in, at Filipino breakfast, kakainin namin lahat. Diba? As in, meron kaming mami, meron kaming pancake, fruits, rice, bacon.
Lahat. Pero yung mga kasabay na yung foreigners, kasi ano lang minsan, cereal.
Pero sa halo-halo. Anyway, good start kasi full day ahead. The van is actually here na. Pick us up. Ayan si Kuya. Okay. Kuya tour guide.
Yung driver natin.
Stop over guys. So, natulog lang ako sa van. So, paantong ako. We are here at Buena Vista View Deck. Hi, B!
Hi!
Ayan, may mga souvenir shop. And we have a view over here. Fresh buko. Kanina pa ako nag-iinom. Grabe. Doggy. Doggy! Bait-bait! Hi! Wala! Doggy! Oh, sis! Uy, sis! Pinahati namin yung coconut and we got some off. We're here at the Subterranean River National Park. So this is where we'll be riding the boat to the underground river. So, yeah, so fun! At medyo madaming tao. monkeys daw dito na parang nangaagaw ng food. Kasi pala binasanay sila na binibigyan sila lagi ng mga visitor. So, strictly prohibited. Thank you. Ano yan? Makak ba yung tawag yan?
Long-tailed macaque.
Cool. Makak.
Ano pa mga ayan, tabon doon. Ayan, tabon. Mas kitang-kita ang feed mo.
Yung cave. Punta kami doon. Kaya kami merong earphone para daw malasan yung noise sa loob ng cave. Kaya lahat ng, tapos may audio device na lang i-play. Anyway, we're just waiting for our turn kasi may number nito. Number 65 pa. Antol! Ang bagal yung cave. Antol! We're now in the boat. Tapos may kami audio device dito. Yay!
Pasok na kami doon.
Tadan! Finally, time for lunch. Sa Queen Anne Eatery kami. Now back at the water villa. Sobrang anto kami. Pero anyway, merong free snacks here. We're gonna go to the sandbar and drink. Kasi wala namang water. Low tide ulit. We had a room made up. Ang cute! At may note pa. I already made up your room in the it to require. Cute! Also have fresh bathrobes, towels. Pati yung ano ata dito na. Ayan, may bag, may ano na rin. Love it. Mark and I are going back to the sandbar. This is my swimsuit for day 2. It's also from I Love Koi. Cute! We're going to the sandbar. And this is different from the first time we went there. Ayan na guys, mas mabilis na makalakad dito. Dinner at a Tomato Basil restaurant, and I'm wearing this halter romper. It's so cute. I got it from Chica Booty. I'm wearing a bikini inside kasi mag-swimming kami afterwards. And love it. The pool is so peaceful. Wala masyadong tao. Grabe. yummy. We have pork belly with mashed potato, pumpkin soup. Good for tuna yan eh. Dami. Lasagna. So, pizza na lang, no? Tama
Apa,
ba?
ma'am.
Okay. Ooh. Parang masarap
sige,
yun, ah.
Sige. Okay.
Ba't parang masarap na naman yung sayo, B? Yes. Pork belly. Pwede yung lakat mo. Super pure nung pumpkin soup nila. Ang sarap sobra. And yung lasagna ni Mark. Mas masarap na naman, pero sarap.
Hindi pa naman na-try.
Pumpkin soup.
Sarap, super.
Let's try the pork belly. We ordered pizza. Actually, Mark ordered pizza. It's the carnivore. Carnivorous. Masarap.
Carnivore.
Super sarap. Final part of our day is swimming. Hello. Back in the room, guys, and linis na kami. Anyway, I removed my makeup using my Bioderma Sebium micellar water. For my mask today, since I'm breaking out, I have the Leaders Vital Cells Skin Seed Mask. I have a couple more for the next few days, and these are really perfect for traveling since, you know, you just put it on. Wala ka lang ibang ano. It's an all-in-one skincare. So, I'll be leaving this on for like 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, tapos tanggalin ko na siya. And yung serum nilalagay ko hanggang sa neck area para bongga siya. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Honda Bay tour tomorrow. So, mostly puro water sports. Bye, guys! B, bye-bye, night.
Bye-bye.
Night.
Bye-bye. Good night.
The ranch dog was taken out by a